designed to put algae in an algae lab and send it up into space. We want to see if it'll grow best in the blue lights or the red lights. That's our project to go up into space.
This is our actual algae lab that is going into space. As you can see right now, the blue lights are on.
And this is our cutting board, which splits the two ends. As you can see, that little box thing, that has our algae in there. On this side, the red lights will turn on. Our circuit board is on the sides with all the stuff. Yeah.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.